Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to copy YouTube comments on mobile. Right. I know a lot of people have been having difficulty in copying uh comments in the comment section. Like they find it difficult because they don't have any option to do that, and even if you want to copy the comment automatically, it's not going to work. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's take this video for an instance, and so let's click right here to copy a comment. So these are comments. I'm going to try. You can see I can even copy. So what you need to do is click on this share. You can see share, click on share, copy the link, and once you copy the link, close up the YouTube app, go to your Chrome and place that link you copied, click on go, and it's going to appear. You can see the video right here. So what you're going to do is you click on the comment section and you copy the comments you want to. Okay, can't even see comments. So you're just going to copy the one you want to copy. So that's how to do it. You just copy it like this. Yeah, and you can copy. If this guy does helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.